What's going on, guys? David here with you, bringing you another video. I appreciate all my subscribers and everybody that's liking all my videos. I hope my content is helping you guys out. So tomorrow night, which is going to be Sunday, we are going to be doing another live Q and A. It said it's going to be in between 9 and 9:30. I'm thinking about 9 o'clock. We're going to be getting in kind of late, so if I don't start at 9, it will for sure be at 9:30. So, and just to give you guys a heads up, we're going to be talking a little bit about business notes and, setting goals and writing things down. I was going through the garage today, and I found a lot of my old tablets where I used to write things in, so we're going to be talking about things along the lines of that, and y'all check this out. We are, this is for the grandmas. We're going to be putting this on tumbler cups, but vinyl. And so, believe it or not, we've been looking to get into the vinyl business, me and my wife, and we was over at her cousin's house for Thanksgiving, and come to find out, her cousin had this thing here that she hadn't used. She said she couldn't figure it out, and man, it's a vinyl cutter. And so we got blessed with this thing, and we're gonna start making videos. I mean, not making videos, making vinyl stickers. And so my wife, I thought about, once we start practicing with this thing and learning it, thinking about offering. I know a lot of you guys may be starting business and may need some vinyl work done for your vehicles. So thinking about throwing that out there and offering that up to you guys. If you are interested in any of this and need some stickers done for your vehicles, I will have my email down in the description below. And also, go ahead and ask me a question through email tonight, and when you view this channel, and when you view this video, and go ahead and ask some questions. And what we can do is tomorrow night in the Q and A, I'll open them up and we'll go through and I'll read them and I'll answer them. So y'all guys do that for me. I appreciate all you guys. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. We just been, haven't been doing a whole lot of nothing, just been relaxing, chilling, enjoying these 4 days off. And we've just been playing around with this cutter here. And but yeah, you guys have a great evening, and I'll see y'all tomorrow night. Take care. Be ready, man. We're gonna talk about some good things tomorrow. See y'all in the next clip.